Hey guys, we're headed down in the valley today. We got a sewage sump with a bad level transducer. Alright, see you there. Alright, here's our wet well. Much better. We'll go ahead and pump that down so we can see what we're working with. Here's our control panel. Not much action. Pump 1 doesn't seem to be working. Yeah, so pump 1 isn't pumping anything down. Troubleshoot that in a minute. Let's run pump 2. That sounds better. Not great though. Is the level even falling? There's our transducer hanger. We'll be pulling him through this pipe over here. We'll be pulling him out of that pipe. Oh yeah, it's going down. Just really slow. See that? We'll pump it down just to make it a little cleaner. Get some gloves. That's better. We'll call that good. Turn off pump 2. So we're going to use our cable here as our pulling string for our new transducer. We'll go ahead and disconnect him. Actually, let's just cut him off. Windy. There we go. Okay, then we need a little bit of tape. Here's our new transducer. Top of the line. MK2. This one's range is 0 to 30 feet. 4 to 20 milliamps. Did it come with a hanger? It came with a hanger. Cool. So we'll use the new hanger. So we'll just roll this out so it's nice and straight. If you don't roll it out, it keeps all of that kink and wind up in it. Here's our end. Perfect. Reach in and grab the old one, like so. Can cut him. Here's our old one. That's all bundled up. Let's get rid of that bundle. So now we're just going to use this wire to pull in our new transducer. Get rid of this extra, like so. Take our new transducer cable, and I'm just going to attach it on like that with some tape. Pretty short pull, so I'm not too worried about it. Should go pretty smooth. like to leave a long tag like that so it's easy to take the tape off when I pull it through. And then we'll just check for obstructions. Looks nice and clear. It's going to be going in that pipe right there. Okay, and we can start pulling. We'll see how it goes. Ideally, I'd have somebody here to help, but you'll see with by myself, it's no great emergency. I got the cord all laid out nice, so it should just feed right in nice and easy. All right, here we go. So as I'm pulling here in the panel, you can see it going over there. See it going in. There it goes. Conduit's a little wet. It's probably not water. And it's already in. Look at that. There's the whole thing. Dry that off. So yeah, we'll dry him off and then we'll just peel all this tape off. Go. Dry this guy off. Real good. That's garbage. And there we go. We can land him. We'll put our duct seal back when we're all done. So we got our old one out. We got the new one in the conduit. Now we just need to get it in the hole and do some cable management down there. We're gonna pick up that motor cable and put him back in a bundle. We'll put him in a separate bundle on this rack and we'll get our transducer in. We're gonna need some zip ties. 4 will probably do. And I'll put some gloves back on for this step. So this is a hanger that MJK provides with their transducers. Kind of just friction fit as the weight pulls down. These squeeze together like so. Works great. These transducers are very expensive, but they're very heavy duty. This cable is stiff. It's got like a fiberglass reinforcement and is very chemical resistant. These are about the top of the line level transducers you can get, these MJKs. Really nice level transducers. So we'll go ahead and set him at the height we want. Once we have him in, then we'll deal with all this extra cable here and our pump cable down in the hole. So I'm just going to lower him slowly till I feel him hit the bottom. Boy, this sump is deeper than it looks. Still hasn't hit the bottom. There we go. That's the bottom. Right there. So then I'm gonna lift him up just a hair above that. I want him like right there, maybe 6 inches up off the bottom. So that's where I want to hang my grip. So I just open him up, slide the cable in, like so, push him down, and then it's just a simple friction fit. The heavier you pull, the tighter he goes, and then you can also back him up with a zip tie through there, like so. Just as an added level of assurance. But these are so heavy duty and made out of glass fiber reinforced plastic. That's not going anywhere. You get the good accessories with these, so then we can just take our guy over and hang him there, and I'll just verify that he's not. Yeah, he's just above the bottom. That's perfect. So there's our transducer hanging there. Then we've got this extra bit of cable here. We're gonna just wind up. Like so. We'll make a nice loop. For him. Put him on the rack. And then let's fix this motor cable that fell in. We'll put one around the bundle and then one through to make a hook. And we just don't want our cables hanging down in the vault, or in the wet well, sorry, so they don't get tangled on anything. So now we've got motor cables, transducer. We're all done putting our hands in there. I can take these gloves off and clean my hands one last time before I clean up everything.